Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka Voice of the People Party uba Ardent besay moit. Haba ay jingkren hadin balaway ka jingyalang patba bantur siya sekretariat. Ulapan pa ka jing sngo komen ya ka jing sngo ktilang ki patba banyami syakmat bandawa yikimat na kasor ka jela. Uba Ardent uloong ba ka jing penlong ya kan di ka jing yat patba ka bajay-jay hakan rutri ubnay nailar arhaja apunriyo kalong ban pensngo ya ka kubor siya ka sorkar baki patba kim sngo ya ha bat om pediang ya ka jing penyat bat jing penbet ka sorkar jela ya ki babun teli ki mat bat ong ru babun na kini ki mat jing dawa ki dei ki ba laju pensngo na kapor siya kapor habakali lakin pha ne kin ai ya kanu kanu jing tho siya ka sorkar uba Ardent uloong ba kum kaseng kam sngo mentoy shu ban pha ya ka memorandum namar bon teli ladep ban pha ha ki por bradep ya ki babun ki mat bakongsan da ka babanjur bat penpau bakalong ka basngo si pat baka sorkar kam shumla le wat ban pha e ka jubab lani ban khot ban yakren halor ki jing dawa habakli halor ka jing kren umintri rang ba ka jela konrat sangma baya kini ki mat dei ban kren bat Wanrah hapo ka Ïing Dorbar thawan ka jela om hapo surok uba Ardent uloong ba kani ka dei tang ka jing ai daw ka sorkar namar kumba baro ki sakhi ya ka jing bam ailat teng-teng ya ki liang persya ban Wanrah iki mat jing dawa ha ka Ïing Dorbar henrei kat bai ka liang sen sharpat ki yo bun por ban ya kren halor kani uba Ardent uloong ba Hangno Ngin yo ya ka por ban ya kren ya tai.
We are happy to see the response of the people as far as this peaceful march is concerned. So as we have said that we are going to conduct this peaceful march to convey a message to the government that we are not happy with the style of functioning of the government on many issues. And those issues have been highlighted from time to time. So we will now disperse from this march as we have already completed the march, and we will wait for some time what will be the response of the government.
So are you submitting any memorandum to the government?
No. We had decided as party not to submit any memorandum because every time we had written to the government on many issues. But it is unfortunate that the government never responded to us in writing or even call us for discussion, which is why we don't feel the need to submit a fresh memorandum or petition to the government on these issues, which the government itself is aware of these issues.
Sir, how many people participated in this protest march?
I think it will be very difficult for me, but I think you must have seen the crowd is huge, spontaneous, and especially in a working day like this.
Yesterday the CM said that these issues should be debated in the assembly, not in the street. Your response?
I think as a witness, you had been a witness. How time is allotted to the opposition members in the assembly and how space were being taken by the members belonging to the ruling party. They in fact get more time than the member belonging to the opposition party. So we hardly get enough and sufficient time to discuss various issues. We are not shying away from debating, whether we lose or win in the debate, but we representing fact before the government. So I think that is just an excuse maybe on the part of the government.
We have seen that VPP conduct this protest march very peacefully, and in fact VPP volunteers were actually managing the traffic. If you can tell us about this.
Because you see, our supporters, our volunteers, and all those who are supporting us are made to understand that we will do anything which is peaceful and which is right. We don't have any intention to create any law and order problem. We don't have any intention to create public inconveniences. So which is why we have made our stand very clear. We have repeatedly asked those who are going to participate that they should honor the instruction of the party, which is why you see this protest as you see today.
The government yesterday said that they are willing to have a dialogue with you, the party. So what will be your response?
You see, these are the issues which in fact the government itself, it is the responsibility of the government to deal with these issues. We are the opposition, we are raising issues concerning the state and the government and the people, I mean to say. So if the government is really serious with all these issues, they should call us, take us into confidence. But this government is quite vindictive, especially when it comes to the opposition party, where they even undermine and belittle the position and the status of the elected representative. So that is just an eyewash on the part of the government to fool the people again.
So what is the next course of action?
We are yet to decide. Haga bedai bat ka Shri Simen pila I kumto. Pia ba pikot. Lada ka government kalong ka coach siya kor komperkat. Shwa ba kan ai ka permission ki pelong ka ta ka public hearing ban skap ya ka jing snow jing ki babon. Mo bat ka jing pen snow. Teka di ka kamram juga sarkar ban thau kita ki jing pen snow jong ki ba persya bat ki ba yasha. Bat mdei taman ong balabun ba persya ban super sya bet. Lani babun ba yasha ban su ai bet. Kadai ban thau kan ya ki merits ba ki demerits. Jong kata ka factory kumnu kan pen mentoy yang ni ki try meluk ki try jika kumnu kan putak ka sarkar kan khot ji ka jing snow ji pai ba bat lada ka snu thu bagadan ka jing persya ji pai ba kabam shong nong rim kadai ka kamram juga sarkar ban pen snu thu ya ki tu ki pai ba em kalong ka ba bakala la repi kan tai ndai ka sarkar kam ko man ai ka tagalat bat ka basnu si kalong bangi iba kadon ka jing ti surok lari ki samla jingi ki ba so khia ya ka kam bam sap ya ka jing trai torti ki surok ki le ki khle ka to ko surok na ka ti ki sha IFIR ki pat ka banjai ki to ki ba ti knang ban persniu ki surok te ka tu hi ka jingle ka pen subas new ba ka sarkar hi ka kwa ba ka outcome juga tu public hearing ka de balong positive na kata daw kim ala dia ki ba persya ba kini dan bentah te na kata daw nginum priang ya ka report ba nginum priang ya ka tu ka public hearing ka public hearing ka dai ban declare null and void ngingin namla ban priang
Hatu I ba kani ka jinglong jingman kani ka jingya subut lang ka cement factory ba ka sarkar?
What uri pat baru uyo ikum ta te ngangit baru ki ikum ta hi te pi ngingin namla ban trei ki pressure group ngide ka responsible political party ngim semua don kam bangin ai ultimatum the government. In fact the duty and responsibility of the government mo ban snap ye gani ban reach out to us why we have to hit the street. That is the question you should ask. Why do we have to hit the street? Because repeatedly we have been denied. Repeatedly we have been ignored by the government when we raise these issues. Nakata-kataw kay ni sapan bi kumni. Ndai la ka sarkar ka khot ye kan ni penbet baling ni penbun kampung ni ki pai ba.
Ni ba kan bakasakan in assembly these issues.
Definitely I have listed many issues to be taken up, but as you know, as you are aware of the fact, time is too limited inside the assembly, and it is the way they conduct the assembly is not encouraging, and it is not, I would say, acceptable to us, because we have been even denied the chance to raise important issues on the floor of the house.
So do you think this march to the secretariat has been successful? Are you happy with that turnout?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Do you think the message has been conveyed?
Yeah, I'm happy. Who can raise this much of crowd, spontaneously without spending a single paisa? You tell me. Should I not be happy? Should I not be satisfied? I mean...
So do you think the message has been conveyed to the government?
Especially on the working day, pardon?
Do you think that the message has been conveyed?
We believe it should convey, but if the government remains to be deaf, it's up to the government.
So